Good morning, it's Elliot at Kingsbridge Autos once again. Today we're having a quick wander around our Land Rover Defender 110 X Dynamic HSE. Finished in Carpathian Grey. £2,000 option, I believe, Carpathian Grey. And it is without doubt one of the best colours Land Rover offer at the moment. The Defender is sat on the 22-inch gloss black alloys. Which look really nice with those red calipers. I'm a huge fan. Spare wheel cover has been spec'd the same colour as the bodywork. Seems trivial, but it was a £400 option. And the car also has the exterior black pack. Extended exterior black pack, I should say. And that lovely light bar at the front. And yeah, that extended exterior black pack works with those alloys really well. The car also has the towing pack. With the electrically deployable tow bar, which looks pretty much unused to me. Air suspension too. Put that away before somebody catches their shins on it. They really do look the part everywhere, these things. Whether you're traipsing across a field covered in mud or just cruising down the motorway. Such a good looking thing. Inside is as lavish as we've come to expect from all Land Rover products. We've got heated memory seats, heated steering wheel as well. But it does retain that utilitarian feel with the grab handles, exposed paintwork, and these bolts really add something different. But then you've got the luxurious touches still with the pan roof and the dark, I think it's oak veneer. They really are excellent, these things. If you want to know a little more about this car or what we do here at Kingsbridge, please do give us a call on 01138 702 300. Thank you for watching.